Hai guys, welcome back to our channel Devi and Charles. Apa kabar kalian semua? Semoga semua dalam keadaan sehat, bahagia, dan murah rezeki ya. Oke guys, singkat-singkat saja biar nggak terlalu lama, terlalu panjang. Oke, aku ingin banget makan yang namanya ayam kalasan. Aku rindu banget ayam kalasan. Jadi kemarin sempat nge-google dengan nge-youtube nyari resep ayam kalasan. Karena selama ini kalau bikin ayam goreng kan ayam kuning doang gitu ya, dan ya udah itu aja. Jadi aku pengen yang agak manis-manis, yang Jogja taste gitu. Jadi aku belajar, dan hari ini adalah hari pertama aku bikin ayam kalasan, dan juga Om Bule belum pernah makan ayam kalasan. Jadi ini pertama kali juga Om Bule nyobain ayam kalasan. Oke guys, terima kasih sudah mengklik video ini. Jangan lupa yang baru datang pertama kali ke channel kami untuk mensubscribe, bantu subscribe. Jadi kita makin semangat buat konten-kontennya. Terus terima kasih juga untuk sahabat-sahabat kami dan keluarga online kami yang selalu menonton video kami sampai selesai. Thank you so much, selamat menonton. Doain ya semoga ayam kalasan aku enak. Ayam kalasan sama sambal bebek ayam suwir dari Madam Ibon.
Anjir bete ya kalau makan pakai
sendok. Iya, makanya pakai tangan aja nggak apa-apa. Ini ada bentar lagi mau kerja, jadi dia makan duluan. Enak nggak ayamnya? Terasa bumbunya ngeresep nggak? Manis gurih gitu. Kurang
sih kalau bagi Adam.
Iya ya, padahal diungkapnya udah lumayan lama tuh, dan bumbunya udah banyak.
Udah ungkapnya sehari coba.
Lus ya, masa sih?
Ini mau
Nyobain. Oh, ini si tulang muda kesukaan aku. Ini pertama kali mama buat ayam kalasan, jadi nanti berarti kalau kurang asin gitu ya.
Iya, kurang asin. Nih mama udah coba sendiri nih. Kayak KFC mama.
Coba. kurang lama diungkepnya, bener Dam. Tapi rasanya udah ada kan ya? Udah berasa bumbunya ya?
Dikit.
Dikit. Kurang lama diungkep. Oke, enjoy ya Dam.
Makasih.
Ayam kalasannya udah jadi, tinggal digoreng nanti sebentar lagi. Aku lagi numis sayuran. Ya, nanti ini si paprika, garlic dengan bombay aku kasih campur dengan brokoli dengan wortel. Terus menu lainnya adalah tempe goreng tepung kesukaan Bule. Semoga makan malam hari ini, Bule suka ya. Ya, tumis brokoli, wortel dengan paprikanya udah jadi. Aku langsung mau goreng tempe dengan goreng ayam, terus aku mau siap-siap mandi karena aku masih kayak begini nih. Nanti suami aku pulang kaget banget. Ya udah, kita ketemu lagi pas nanti Om Bule pulang ya. Makanannya udah jadi ya. Guys, ini penampakan ayam kalasannya seperti ini. Agak kurang yahut penampakannya, tapi mudah-mudahan rasanya enak ya. Oke, aku siap-siap mandi dulu karena Om Bule bentar lagi udah mau pulang. Hai guys, aku sudah mandi. Sama aja ya, udah mandi apa belum? Ya, Om Bule kayaknya udah pulang nih. Aku liatin ke depannya. Halo sayang.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good. I just showered.
Oh, good.
You smell something good or smell something weird?
Mostly good, but not that weird.
How's your work today?
Not too bad. It was
Bagus?
pretty easy today.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mau lihat?
Yes, lapar.
Lapar. Kamu belum pernah makan ini. You haven't eat this kind of menu. It called ayam kalasan.
Ayam Kalasan.
Yeah.
Okay, it's chicken with what?
It's from Yogyakarta recipe. So this chicken boiled with coconut water. Remember we buy coconut water?
Oh yeah, I remember we bought the coconut water.
Okay, we eat ya.
Yes.
And you can open the oven, please.
Okay. Ooh.
That's pizza.
Oh.
That's Adam bring pizza. Yeah. It's
Yes.
our other menu.
Tempeh and veggies.
Yes, so simple, baby. Sederhana
That's okay.
aja.
That's how I like things.
Yeah. We gonna need sambal. You like the sambal jalapeno with the
It's not
tomato?
this, is it?
No, that's tauco.
Okay.
You would not like it. Aduh. Yeah.
Sambal
Petis?
petis.
No. That's
Sambal
from Madame Yvonne.
nanas, no.
No.
This one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
And the rice is in here. Aku ambilin ya. Sebentar ya. Aku
Yes.
ambilin. Matthew hasn't eat.
Oh my God.
Ya, Om Bule. What do you think about the chicken? I don't know ya, because ini kelihatan banyak, padahal ini dadanya tulang dada. Kalau Om Bule makannya thigh dengan leg.
Yes, looks very good.
Looks very good. Hopefully the taste is good too.
Yes. Eat now.
Yes. Eat please. I don't know it's good enough or no because hey, I'm wearing my new sleeping dress.
Your sleeping dress from
Costco.
Yes.
It's only $9.
Yes.
Sayang, I already. What do you think? Is it the
Season.
absorb?
Yeah.
Absorb
I
to the
I can taste the coconut milk.
and go to the meat?
Yes.
Absorb everything,
Yes.
the seasoning.
Yes, it did.
I try at lunch. Aku cobain guys, waktu aku lunch tadi aku cobain yang bagian leher. not that seasoning enough. But I don't know now because I boiled again.
Yeah, let it sit for a while.
Yes, sit for a while and boil again. Aduh.
The sambal is spicy.
Tapi kan kamu suka. Ini kan jalapeno tomat. Coba. Ini buat ambil sayur ya.
Yeah, the chicken's really good.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, you can taste the
apa?
the
sambal.
coconut milk.
The sambal is spicy. Guys, makan ya. This is your first time eating this kind of seasoning chicken. Kamu mau minum ya? Haus ya?
Yes,
No water. Mau nggak water?
I've been drinking water all day today.
Oh, oke.
Tired of water.
Ya udah, sayur. Nih,
So how is the this sambal?
this one is not terasi. This one is sambal tauco. Tauco is soybean, so it's good.
Is it spicier than this?
You try.
With tempe?
Ya, with tempe oke. Sayurnya juga simple aja ya, brokoli sama paprika. Apa? Enak? Kamu suka? Kamu suka sambalnya? You know what? Adam didn't like the sambal. He already ate the chicken before
It's
he
like
go to huh? Sweet. Yeah, maybe I will come back.
Yeah.
He doesn't like the smell. He said the bau, mama bau.
I don't know. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So it's weird, yeah.
Yeah.
What you think bau, Adam think not.
Yeah.
And what Adam think
Wonder
bau?
what happens if I put the sweet and the
Yes. Go ahead. Must
so I
be
got the spicy sambal and the sweet sambal with the coconut chicken.
Look, our son. They waiting for the chicken. Guys, makan ya. Ternyata enak.
Yeah, the
Kamu
sambal,
suka?
the mix, it's not as spicy.
Ya, kamu suka ya?
Wow.
Ya.
That's,
You wanna mix again? Put there. Mau? Iya, ambil.
we have to get
Here.
more.
Here, take mine. I can take yours.
Okay. Not all. Okay.
Not all. Oke.
No. Wow, this is really good.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aku suka bagian ini. Coba ya. I already put. I did put like salt a little bit,
Yeah.
and then hopefully this will taste different from lunch. And Adam agree. Adam agree to that. It's need like more seasoning. Enak ya?
Yeah.
You
You mix
remember?
the sweet and the sour sambal?
No, I
different
just
sambals?
ate the chicken.
Oh yeah.
Ini enak, guys. Aku belajar bikin ayam
How,
kalasan.
how long did you
Apa?
you boiled it?
Yeah, like 1 hour with a small stove. Low stove.
No.
Yeah, it's good.
That's very good.
It's good now. So, you already tried the yellow chicken, right? It's salty. Yellow chicken is salty. Thank you. You like the salty or the sweet one? This one sweet, like me. Kamu suka yang mana?
I don't know.
Kamu suka sweet, manis, apa salty, asin?
It's different. I'm still trying to get used to it.
Okay.
But I would like both. Because
You like both.
Yeah.
So means
It
you
depends on the.
I wanna share with my kids. Look,
Depends on the mood.
look, my kids.
I know they're
Come here.
sitting there waiting.
Come here. You don't understand. Come here.
Over here.
Here, sayang.
No? No? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Suka? I think Eci doesn't like it. Eci nggak suka. But he doesn't like sweet. Yeah.
It's really good when you mix the sambals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, ada ide nggak aku masak apa ya selain ayam kuning, ayam kalasan? Ini kan ayam kalasan ya. Ayam apa lagi yang kira-kira aku bisa masak untuk Om Bule cobain? Tulis di komen ya. I ask our online family about give us suggestion about what kind of chicken that I can cook for you, and I can learn from apa YouTube.
Okay. You need more sambal because I'm going to eat all this stuff up.
Okay.
You know it's spicy. It's making me want to cry.
Kasihan. Ya udah, ambil yang di.
It's good.
Ambil yang di botol ya.
Spicy and sad. Can we get this at Carrollton?
Yeah.
This one? Oh, good.
We bought this, the one that we bought at Carrollton, like a few days ago.
Yeah.
It's the terasi. This one is soybean.
Okay.
Soybean sambal. So different kind.
Different kind, but we can still get it there.
Yeah. We still got this over there. My English is getting better. My English worse.
It's not. You can still understand you just fine.
You need to learn bahasa, baby.
A
Please.
little bit.
Mau, bow.
I understand more than I speak.
Okay.
That's why when Diddy and Adam talking to each other, sometimes I know what they're talking about. Sometimes it's about me.
I forgot we have tempe.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to finish this food. Relax.
Watching movie
Yes.
and massage me.
Yes. We have all of our kids here. Everyone's there. All right. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. All right. Da.
Yeah.